A noisy boiler can be quite unsettling and might add unnecessary stress to your household. While a certain degree of noise is expected when your heating system operates, any unusual or loud banging sounds could signal underlying problems. Neglecting these sounds could exacerbate the situation and potentially lead to expensive repairs. Should you observe any irregularities with your boiler, consider obtaining a complimentary quote from Warmable. Just fill out our quick form, and we'll connect you with a local specialist who can provide you with a customized quote today.